How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the Dewalt DCF860B. This is the most powerful Imapct driver from Dewalt. Let's go ahead and unbox this. This is the tool only, but we will test it out with a battery as well, so you guys can see how it works. Let's go ahead and pop it open and see what tool only comes with. So we obviously have the tool itself. Take all the paperwork. It does have this little card right here, which gives some information on how it works, which is helpful. We've got the instruction booklet, of course, which I'm sure you're going to read through, probably not. This little piece right here will attach to the side so you can use it as a belt clip if you want to. So there's a little screw and then there's a little clip and you can attach that to the side of the tool itself. Let's go ahead and grab the tool out, move some of this stuff to the side so you can see the tool itself. So very nice updated tool. So we have on the front right here, you can control your light. You can control the speed of it right here. The light you can have automatically stay on for 20 seconds every time you actually hit the power button on there. But let's go ahead and look at the tool itself. Brushless motor, of course. There's some information, DCF860 on there. XR tool. Let's go ahead and test out the Imapct driver. First off, you want to grab a battery. You want to grab the most powerful battery you can get. It's the 5 milliamp power stack battery, a very, very powerful battery, the most powerful battery you can get for this device right here, fully charged up. And we'll go ahead and throw that right on right there. And that's how it looks with it on. And then you want to grab just a little bit. So we've just got a Phillips head bit right here. We'll just go ahead and throw that in right there. And then you want to look at this right here. So there's different speeds. So we have it on speed 1, speed 2, and speed 3. We'll leave it back at 1. And then we have this for the LED light right here. So you can see the light in the front. There's triple LEDs, so there's 9 total LEDs. And if you tap that, that will be on setting 1, setting 2, and setting 3, and that will stay on for 20 seconds now. Every time you use it, it will reset that time for 20 seconds. And let's go ahead and see what it sounds like on full power for speed number 1. Here we go. All right, we'll switch it to speed number 2 now. And we'll go up to speed number 3. Yeah, definitely a difference on speed number 3, but that is what it sounds like. That is how it works. This is definitely the best tool that you can get for an Imapct driver on the market right now, the most powerful one. So definitely go ahead and pick it up, especially with that powerful 5 amp power stack battery.